welcome back to our channel. So as you all know that in this video I'm going to show you that how you can automatically add your lead ads leads as a new contact in your CRM. So here I'm going to take an example of LinkedIn ads and CRM as Zoho CRM. And here to automate this entire process, we are going to connect our LinkedIn ads with our Zoho CRM account using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So here to access the Pabbly Connect, you need to search for pabbly.com/connect in your browsers and it will take you to the homepage of Pabbly Connect. Here you can see two options. One is sign in and the another one is sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and get free 100 tasks every month to explore the software. And if an existing user like me, then simply sign in. Now after signing in, here you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. From here you need to access Pabbly Connect by clicking on this access now and it will take you to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. So now here to build this connection, I need to create a workflow first, and for that we're going to click on this create workflow button given on the top right corner. Then here it's asking me to select the workflow builder. So here you can see two options. One is new beta and the another one is classic. So beta version is modern, faster and more flexible, whereas classic one is stable and the familiar approach. So in this video we're going to use this beta version by clicking on the select button, and then a create workflow dialog box appeared in front of us. So I'm going to give a name to my workflow that says automatically create contacts from lead ads. Then here's asking me to select the folder. So here from the drop down menu you can see all the folders available. In this case I'm going to select the folder as contacts, and you can create your own folder as per your requirement. Now here to create a new workflow, I'm going to click on this create button. And here in this workflow window, you can see we have successfully created a workflow. And here let me tell you that there are two most important principles of an automation process, that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this. That means action is a response towards a trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin with our automation by simply setting up a trigger. So as you all know that we are receiving new leads through LinkedIn ads. So I'm going to select my trigger as LinkedIn and my app event as lead notifications. So here I've selected LinkedIn ads, but you can select the lead ads as per your requirement. Then we're going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add a new connection. If your LinkedIn account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, I'm going to click on this connect with LinkedIn. And here you can see we're now successfully connected. So it easily got connected because here I was already logged in my LinkedIn account. So to build an easy connection, make sure you're already logged into your account in the same browser. Or else if you're building a new connection, then it is going to ask for the account credentials first. Alright, let's move forward. Here it is asking me to select the sponsored account. So now here to get the account name, let me take you back to my LinkedIn campaigns manager. So this is my ads campaign manager, and here you can see the account that I'm using with the name Pabbly's ad account. So I'm going to select that account over here from the drop down, and then we're going to click on the save and send as request. Now here you can see as it is waiting for webhook response. That means here to receive a webhook response, we need to do a test submission. And to do a test submission, we need to generate a test lead inside our LinkedIn lead ad. So now here to generate the test lead, let me take you back to my LinkedIn ads campaign manager. So this is my campaign manager, and here I've already drafted a test campaign under which I've created a test lead form. So for now, we're going to use this lead form to generate a test lead for our LinkedIn lead ad. So I'm going to click on this apply now. So this is my lead form, and here it is asking me to add the email address and the phone number, whereas the first name, last name and the company name are the static values. That means these are the fixed values and we cannot change them. So the reason behind this is that this is a test lead form, but if you're running a live lead form, then your lead will be able to add all your details. Alright, so here for the email address, I'm going to enter the email address as test@pabblytools.com, and here I'm going to add a random phone number. Then we're going to click on the submit, and you can see it says information sent to Pabbly. So now let's go and check our Pabbly's workflow. And here you can see we have received a successful response where we have received the lead's email address, phone number, first name, last name, company name and some other details. So with this we have successfully set up our trigger over here. So once we have received a new lead through our lead ad, then automatically I want to add that lead as a new contact in my CRM. So for that I'm going to add an action step over here, and here I'm going to select my action application as Zoho CRM. You can select a CRM application as per your requirement. Then here's asking asking me to select the app event. So I'm going to select it as create contact and we are going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add a new connection. If your Zoho CRM account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, I'm going to click on this connect with Zoho CRM. So it is asking me to add the domain of my Zoho account to connect this application. So now here to get the domain, let me take you back to my Zoho CRM account. So this is my account and here in the URL you can see my domain is zoho.com. So we're going to copy it and we're going to add it over here. Then we're going to click on this save. And here you can see Pabbly is requesting for the access. So we are going to give access to Pabbly as your data is secured with Pabbly. And you can see we are now successfully connected. So again, we easily got connected because here I was already logged in my Zoho CRM account. So to build an easy connection, make sure you're already logged in your account in the same browser. Alright, let's move forward. Here it is asking for the leads. So I'm going to select the lead source as advertisement from the drop down. You can select it as per your requirement. Then it is asking me to add the first name, last name, email and some other details. So now here instead of entering these details manually, here I'm going to map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here I'm going to map the data from the response I received in my trigger step or my previous action steps. Mapping makes a text dynamic so that when you're going to receive a new lead through a LinkedIn lead ad, then automatically this previously existing detail will be updated with the new one. So for the first name, we are going to map our lead's first name. Here we are going to map our lead's last name. Here we are going to map the email address of our lead. Moving forward, here these fields are not required fields, so we're going to leave it blank. Here for the phone number, we're going to map our lead's phone number. Again, for the mobile number, we are going to map the same number because we have received a single number from our lead. Alright, so these fields are not required fields, so we're going to leave all of them blank. And now, after entering all the required details, we're going to click on the save and send test request. And here you can see we have received a successful response. That means we have successfully added a lead in our CRM as a new contact. So let's go and check it. Here I'm going to refresh it. And you can see we have successfully created a new contact with the name Pabbly Subscription Billing Management Service. Here you can see the email address and the phone number. So with this, we have successfully learned how you can create a contact for your lead. I hope these steps were clear to you. Now, if you want to create this amazing automation for your own business, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. And if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more automation tutorials. Also, if you have any doubts, then feel free to drop them in the comments below. And I would be really happy if you let us know what type of automation you would like to see the next. Alright, that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Not only these applications, you can integrate many other applications with Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, then you can write it at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit this URL. Now, if you liked the video, then please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.